Good day, sir. I'm Rovic Musico from BE4A, and this is my report. Management style. It refers to the different approaches individuals or group or use to handle disagreement or disputes. Vertical axis. Others' needs. This axis represents the degree to which a person tries to satisfy the concern and needs of others, while horizontal axis own needs. This axis represent the degree to which a person tries to satisfy their own concerns and needs. Conflict management style. Accommodate. High concern for others' needs, low concern for own needs. This involves the one party giving into the demand or desire of the other party. Collaborate. High concern for both own needs and other needs. This involves working together to find a solution that satisfies both parties. Negotiate. Moderate concern for both own needs and other needs. This involved finding a compromises where each party give up something to reach an agreement. Avoid. Low concern for both own needs and other needs. This involves sidestepping the conflict, postponing it, or withdrawing for the situation. Force. High concern for own needs, low concern for other needs. This involves using authority or power to impose one's will on the other party. Effective dispute resolution. Used in unions, private and public sectors. The diagram shows a triangle with three levels. Each level represents a different way of resolving disputes. The higher the level, the more intense the method. Consensus level, bottom of the triangle. Methods, mediation and negotiation. This is the best, most peaceful, and most preferred way to resolve conflicts. Consensus means both sides talk and agree voluntarily. The goal is mutual understanding and cooperation. Method under consensus, negotiation, direct discussion between parties. They try to reach an agreement themselves. Mediation, a neutral third person, mediator helps them talk. The mediator does not decide, only guides. This is the easiest, fastest, and less expensive method. Most problems can be solved here. 2. Right level, middle of the triangle. Methods, adjudication and arbitration. This level is used when negotiation or mediation fails. Right means decisions are based on laws, contract, or rules. A third party makes the decision. Methods under rights. Arbitration. A neutral arbitrator listens to both sides. The arbitrator gives a binding decision must be followed. Adjudication. A judge or legal body makes the decision based on the law, not on compromise. This level is more formal, slower, and more expensive. Decision depend on rules, not personal agreement. Power level or top of the triangle. Methods, strike and lockouts. This is the highest, most aggressive level or dispute resolution. Power means each side use strength or pressure to force the other to agree. Methods under power. Strike. Workers stop working to pressure management. Lockout. Management prevent workers from entering or working to pressure the unions. These methods are used only when all other option fails, very costly and disruptive for both sides. Why the triangle shape? Bottom, consensus, most preferred, less costly, most peaceful. Middle rights, more formal, more expensive. Top power, last resort, most harmful. As you move up, the disputes becomes more serious and more difficult to solve. Negotiation. Negotiation is a process by which two or more parties 1. Seek to exchange with each other or among themselves things that they respectively value under terms and conditions mutually acceptable to all concerned. 2. An approach at preventing or resolving conflict resulting in an agreement or consensus of the parties. What can keep parties from negotiation? negotiating. Negotiation happens because people or groups want something, but certain factors can block the process. Principle of economic rationality and self-interest. Economic rationality and self-interest. Me first. Parties may focus only on what benefits them. When both sides insist on their entitlement rather than looking for shared interest, negotiation becomes difficult. If there is no possible common ground, no zone of agreement, talks may fail. Number two, in an employment relationship, this can translate to conflicting objectives and interests. Okay. In workplace, the interest of employers and workers naturally differs. Employers' capital want higher profit. Workers want fair wage benefits and recognitions of effort. This competition priorities create tension. Negotiation is needed to divide the value fairly, which requires objective criteria, standard laws, performance, and metrics. What can keep parties from negotiating? Parties negotiate because they want to satisfy a need or interest. Planning the negotiation. Effective negotiation start with goods preparation. 1. Research the other parties. Learn their priorities, backgrounds, and goals. Understand their BATNA or best alternative to a negotiated agreement. What they will do if negotiation fails. This helps you predict their behavior. 2. Set clear objectives. Know your must have negotiable minimums, preferred goals, ideals, outcomes, concessions, what you can give up. This gives structure and direction. 3. Develop option and trades off. Think of different solutions that benefit both sides. Do not assume there is only one fixed solution. Avoid fixed fight thinking. Be creative, propose exchange or alternative benefits. 4. Anticipate question and prepare answer. Prepare logical reason and evidence to support your proposals. Predict objection and prepare your responses in advance. Conducting the negotiation. Once the negotiation starts, certain strategy help achieve agreement. 1. Develop rapport and focus on obstacle, not on the persons. Okay. Treat the other person with respect. Separate people from the issue. Avoid personal conflict and keep the conversation professional. 2. Let the other party make the first offer. Their first offer reveals their priorities, limits, and expectation. It gives you more information before your response. 3. Listen and ask questions to focus on meeting the other party's needs. Understand what they truly need, not just what they ask for. Good listening builds trust and allows for better solutions. 4. Don't be too quick to give in and remember to ask something in return. Mm. Negotiating requires balance. If you give something, ask for something in return. This keeps the negotiation first and equal. Collective bargaining or negotiation agreement. A specific and specialized type of negotiation governed by law. This is a formal and legal type of negotiation, usually between employers and unions. CBA or CNA is the law between the parties. It must be respected at all times. C- um, a collective bargaining agreement or CBA or collective negotiation agreement or CNA is the final contract. It is legally binding until renegotiated. It governs wage, hours, benefits, rights, and other employment conditions. Collective bargaining agreement. Process output outcomes. 1. Process. This is the negotiation stage where the employers and unions discuss wage, working hours, benefits, working condition, dispute dispute settlement systems. It involves proposals, counter proposals, meeting and consultation. 2. Output. The final written agreement. The CBA, it includes the negotiated terms, procedures from implementing the agreement, methods for settling disputes, grievance or grievance procedures. 3. Outcome. The result or benefits of the agreement like fair and stable employment terms, industrial peace, less conflicts, increased productivity, better employee participation and communication, shared responsibility between management and workers. And that's all. Thank you.